Hello everyone, welcome back to Imaginary Hub. It's been a long time since I've made content on social medias. I have been working on different projects and different enterprises and all those sort of things. Uh, yeah, and over the period of time, I have realized that content creation is a deep, integral part of me. I like sitting in front of camera or sitting in front of you guys and uh, like talking with you or just teaching and whatever I'm learning, just updating with you guys. I don't know, it feels so good when we learn together, when we build together. That's the thing, right? The main intent of why I started Imaginary Hub in the first place is that uh, I want to make tech. I am someone who loves building tech, who loves teaching tech, and I want to do it for free. Whatever I'm doing, I want to share it with you guys. Like, I want to help you in your journey, whether you are a first year student or second year student, third year student preparing for internship or interviews. I want to help you in your journey. And if I can do that, even 10 to 20% of that, then my job is done, right? My job is done. I'll be more than happy, right? So till now in Imaginary Hub, we have given you Java, 10 hours plus Java course, object oriented programming, DSA, web development. Although I haven't completed web development because life took me in some other direction, and because of that I need uh, uh, I had to take a break from content creation for a few months, but now I'm back. I'm fully fledged back and I'm ready to make content to have a lot of fun with you guys, right? So I have a little content strategy. Like, the idea is very clear: have fun, learn new things, and share it with people, as simple as that, and help them in their journey, right? That's the intent, that's the foundational idea of Imaginary Hub. If you want to learn tech, we are here, and we're not going to charge anything, we're not going to do anything. All you have to do is that come and join our platform, and we'll be more than happy to help you a little, at least a little bit, in your journey. So I have a little content strategy, I'm going to share it with you guys, and I want to make this time really work, right? I want to make this work. Okay, so I hope our intent is very clear. Key to create a tech platform, to create a platform where you can come and learn real tech within few months, not hours, within months. And I have three ideas which are going in my mind, and I want to implement these three ideas right away. One is, I want to build a complete DSA course. You might ask that, Jabir, this is a AI era, why you are doing DSA again? And you have done DSA, right? Why are you doing it again? Well, talking about DSA in our YouTube channel, in our Imaginary platform, we have done it a long time ago, around 9-10 months ago. I wanna build a fully fledged production level, top quality, top notch DSA, and right now I'm much more comfortable in front of camera. But when I was starting out, like, I believe I was little shy, I was little like not to the point. But now I'll try to build a course, a DSA course, where I'll be to the point. I'll be talking with very full confidence, and I promise me, like, let me promise you guys this as well, that this is going to be a great one. And I promise you that in this AI era, DSA is something which we all should learn, because it gives you a foundation of thinking mindset, a problem solving mindset. Number two, we will explore different technologies. DSA will be more into theoretical part, mindset building, everything. But technology is something which gives us real-time experience. And in technology, I'll share, let me directly share instead of telling ki, I have created a mini roadmap. Let me directly share it with you guys. Yeah, where's that? I don't know where it is. Where's the content? Oh god. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, so this is the content I'm having. Okay, now I got it. So the first step we'll be doing is that we'll be learning DSA. And I don't want to make like DSA for 4 months. After 4 months, we are gonna learn technology. No, I'll be doing it parallelly. Like we'll be learning a particular technology at the same time. Like in a few days of a week, we'll be learning DSA. Now, the content strategy is that every week, 2 days a day, every week 2 times, like Monday and Thursday, we will learn DSA. And in DSA we'll learn Java programming, right? Along with Java we'll do DSA. Okay, now you might ask, Ki Jabir, what is the point of learning DSA when there is ChatGPT, when there is Claude, Cursor, Windsurf, all this sort of things? What is the need of that? Like my simple answer is that, my friend, um DSA is something which you have to learn no matter what is happening. It's like, let me tell you this, like we study physics, right? We study integration, differentiation in math. You will say that, like where are we using integration, we are using differentiation, we are not using it in real world, so what's the point of studying that? The simple answer is, you need to understand that those are the foundations. Without them there'll be no Newtonian mechanics. Without Newtonian mechanics there'll be no rocket science, electromagnetism, and everything. So calculus is like the foundation which you have to go through no matter how much technology is getting developed. It's the first step which you have to go through in sciences. Similarly, when it comes to technology, DSA is something which you have to learn because it will give you a problem solving mindset. And through this mindset, you can do a number of things in tech. Okay, so DSA is something which everyone has to learn. And what is the first step to learn DSA? We directly will not go into the data structures like graphs, trees, right? We'll start step by step. First we'll learn a programming language. After that we'll go into some basic data structures. Like this will slowly proceed, and as we proceed you will see that the way you think towards a problem will change. That is the main thing why we learn DSC. And the next thing is learning technologies, right? This thing, the second block, will give us a real world product building mindset, right? And in tech part we will begin with web development, because web development is like the foundation for real world thing. DSA is foundation for mindset, web development is the foundation for real world understanding, how real application works, how a website works. When you understand how a website works, now after completing web development you will, based on your interest, you may pivot into different things. Like you will go into AI or app development, blockchain. Based on your different use cases, your interest, you can go into that. Okay, so this is the second block of our tech. Now the third thing is, every week at the end of the week, you guys tell me some crazy ideas. We'll sit together in live if possible. If not, then I'll record the video as usual. But every Saturday we'll sit together live and we'll use the AI tools like ChatGPT, LLMs, different LLMs, and we'll try to build a real world application within 1 or 2 hours. It's gonna be really crazy. Like we'll try to build different agentic things like clinical agent, or you can say uh, call agent, like agent for assistant agent, booking agent, appointment booking agent. Not just agent, will try to build chat applications, rag applications, different things. It's gonna be crazy. So every week on Monday and Thursday we will get DSA. Specifically on Monday we'll learn the concept, and Thursday we'll learn the problems associated to that particular concept. And on Wednesday we'll learn a particular technology. Like right now we'll begin with web development, and slowly steadily after completing web development, uh, we'll start off with app development or AI or LangChain, blockchain, DevOps. Based on your comments, your recommendations, I'll pivot into that and we'll study that as well. Okay, so every Wednesday tech, every Monday DSA, every Saturday we're gonna do some little crazy project live. I'm trying to do it live. So this is the content strategy I'm having, and hopefully I'll be more consistent. I'll give my best to give the best tech content out there on the internet. Okay, So this is about it. This is my content plan. And the first block, let's talk about the only first block. After that, I will, in upcoming videos, I'll talk about what is the roadmap for tech, what is the roadmap for DSA. But for now, let me open DSA roadmap. I'll go to this website. So the first thing we should do when we talk about learning DSA is picking a language, and the language which we are gonna do is Java, right? We'll see how Java works, what is the syntax of Java and everything. After learning, after picking a programming language, we need to learn its fundamentals. Okay, so I will not go much deeper into the fundamental of a language. I think I have made 10 videos on Java fundamentals, how Java works, how to run code in Java, how to write code in Java, everything. You might check it out. I'll provide it right in the top. Okay, now after doing that, we'll study basic structures right away in the next week. After, let's say this video is coming on today's, I'm shooting on 15th October. I think it will come on Monday, right? Immediately on the next week, Monday will start arrays. On the next week, we'll start next data structure like sorting algorithms or stack queue, something like that. I have a roadmap. We'll go step by step every week. Monday, we'll study about arrays, like that particular data structure, and Thursday we'll study the problems associated with that data structure. So I'll provide the roadmap of this as well. Like this, we'll after completing basic data structures, we'll move to algorithms. We'll study about what is time complexity, space complexity, sorting algorithms, searching algorithms. Like this, we'll move forward, and this will be the roadmap which we are going to follow. Okay, now this is pretty much it. This is pretty much the roadmap of DSA, and through DSA you will get a complete idea of how things work, what is the, how to approach a problem, and what is the meaning of problem solving mindset. We're gonna see all these things in upcoming lectures, and I'm really excited to share my knowledge with you guys, right? And one more thing is that there are few prerequisites that you must have before we go into the coding part, which is I want you to install Visual Studio Code in your computer, right? I have already done that, and I'll be providing links to how to download all these things. And at the same time, I want you to install two more IDEs, Cursor and Windsurf. I will tell you why I'm telling you that. When we go into the development part now, we're going to use Cursor and Windsurf for our development process. I'll tell you how we're going to use it. But for now, install three IDEs, Visual Studio Code, Cursor and Windsurf. Now, one more thing, we are going to run Java, right? So for Java, we need JDK, right? Let me just enter it. So based on your operating system, install JDK. So these are the prerequisites that you must have in your computer. Now after doing that, I'll be showing you how to run a Java file, how to write a Java file, creating Java file, everything. Okay, so this is about it. This is the content strategy, and hopefully we're gonna complete it, and we're gonna do it with our full heart and Josh. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next part of DSA, which is arrays.